In practice set 2.1, fourth question is determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of the quadratic equation. First problem is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. The values of x are 1 or minus 1. First, write down the LHS of the given equation. LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Put the value of x as 1 in LHS. Put x is equal to 1. Then instead of this x square, we can write 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Here square of 1 is 1, 4 into 1, that is 4, minus 5 as it is. When we solve this, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 5 minus 5, that is 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to 0. But in the given equation, the RHS is also 0. Therefore, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. When equation is satisfied after putting the value of x is equal to 1 in the LHS, then we can write x is equal to 1 is a solution of equation. That is, 1 is root of given equation. In this way we can solve this. Similarly, determine whether minus 1 is a root of the given equation or not. Therefore, again write down the LHS as it is. Put x is equal to minus 1. Here, instead of this x, put minus 1, therefore minus 1 whole square plus 4 as it is, and instead of this x, write down minus 1, minus 5 as it is. Square of minus 1, that is 1, 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 5 as it is, minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9, minus 9 plus 1, that is minus 8. Here the LHS is equal to minus 8, but RHS is a 0, therefore we can write LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, minus 1 is not root of given equation. In this way we can solve the first problem. Similarly, there is another problem, that is second problem. In the second problem, the equation is 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0, and the values of m is equal to 2 and 5 by 2. Same type of problem is there. Therefore, again write down LHS as it is. 2m square minus 5m is the LHS of the given equation. Put m is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 as it is, 2. Instead of this m, write down 2 square minus 5 as it is, and instead of this m, write down 2. Then square of 2, that is 4, minus 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, minus 10, that is minus 2. and here the LHS is a minus 2, but we know here what is given in the equation, RHS is equal to 0. Therefore we can write LHS is not equal to RHS. Then we write M is equal to 2 is not solution of equation. That is 2 is not root of given equation. Okay, here value of M is 2, therefore put M is equal to 2 in LHS and we get the LHS equal to minus 2, but RHS is 0, that is equation is not satisfied when the value of M is 2. Therefore 2 is not a root of the equation. Similarly put 5 by 2, therefore same equation is there, but the value of M is 5 by 2. Then LHS 2M square minus 5M, put M is equal to 5 by 2. 2 as it is, instead of M write down 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 and here 5 by 2. 2 as it is, square of 5 25, square of 2 4, minus 5 into 5 25, 2 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, and that is 0. After putting the value of M is equal to 5 by 2, then here M, that is 5 by 2 square minus 5 as it is, M is equal to 5 by 2, and square of 5 25, square of 2 that is 4, 5 into 5 25 upon 2, then divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 25 upon 2, minus this 25 upon 2 as it is, therefore it is 0. Therefore we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore here we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Then 5 by 2 is solution of equation, that is 5 by 2 is root of given equation. The fourth question from practice set 2.1. Then fifth is a very important problem. Find the K. Find K if x is equal to 3 is root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. This type of problem for 2 marks. Here the one root is given, that is x is equal to 3, and find the value of k. Therefore first write down equation as it is. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the root is 3, therefore put root is 3 means when we put the value of x as 3 the equation satisfies, therefore put x is equal to 3, then k as it is 3 square, instead of this x write down 3 square minus 10 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Here 3 square, that is 9k, 30, 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k minus 30 plus 3, that is minus 27, is equal to 0. Therefore 9k is equal to 27 and k is equal to 3. Here the value of k is 3. Find the k if x is equal to 3, the root of this equation. Therefore put x is equal to 3 in this equation. We get the value of k is equal to 3. This is the fifth problem. Then the last problem from this practice set. Here this is a activity based problem. One of the root of the equation is given 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Here this is the equation and one root is equal to minus 7 by 5. This is given. Minus 7 by 5 is one root. Then complete the activity. Complete the activity and find k. Here first we write the given steps as it is. That is, there is one box is root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Then put m is equal to, then there is again box in the equation. Then next step is 5 into, there is a box whole square plus 2, again there is a box plus k is equal to 0. Then 49 upon 5 plus minus, here there is again box plus k is equal to 0, and here plus k is equal to 0, and lastly value of k is equal to, you have to write here which is the root of the given equation, minus 7 by 5. Therefore we can write here minus 7 by 5 is the root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Put m is equal to, that is minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5. Put this. Then here you can write minus 7 upon 5 whole square. Here 5 as it is, m square. What is value of m? Minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into m, that is 2, that is value of m is minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Then here square of here square of minus 7. Look at here. First solve this term, 5 as it is, square of minus 7, that is 49, square of 5, that is 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, that is 49 upon 5. Therefore this step. Then plus 2, 7 into 2, that is 14, but this plus minus, that is minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Here the denominators are same, 49, this plus minus 14, that is 49 minus 14, and the denominator is same. Therefore 49 minus 14, that is 35 upon 5. Therefore we can write here 35 upon 5. Okay, but this 35 upon 5 means 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are, that is 7. Therefore we can write 7 plus k is equal to 0. Take this 7 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 7. The value of k is minus 7. In this way we can solve this problem. This is a practice set 2.1 and this is the last problem, which is activity. Remaining part we will see in the next session.